how is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, we all have WhatsApp in our phones and it's one of the most preferred way when it comes to communicating with our friends or family members. With that being said, in today's video, let's check out some brand new features that's been added in WhatsApp. I'm sure a lot of you never knew these useful features already existed in your WhatsApp application. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Some of these features are currently available for beta users, but even if you're not a beta tester, then I'll suggest you to wait for some time. You'll get all these features really soon on your phone. First, let me show you a couple of UI changes that you will notice once you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. As you can see, I have got this bottom navigation bar which looks very similar to the iOS version, and this comes really handy when you're using a bigger phone like this. Now you can easily navigate and access all these tabs from the bottom of your screen. The only drawback I have noticed is it doesn't allow you to swipe and go to the next page. Let's say if you want to check your friend's WhatsApp status, you need to click on the status tab every time instead of swiping like this. Now this can be super annoying for some people. But overall, I think a lot of you will prefer using this bottom navigation bar, especially when your phone has got a bigger display just like the S23 Ultra. Did you know you can now lock individual chats in WhatsApp without installing any third-party app on your phone? Just go to the WhatsApp chat which you would like to hide, tap on the name. Here you need to scroll down and you will find this brand new option called Chat Lock. Just click on it and turn on this toggle that says Lock Chat with your fingerprint. That's it. The chat is now locked. And if you want to access that specific chat, you simply need to swipe down and you'll see this new locked chat section, which you can unlock using your fingerprint. You can also use this feature to lock your groups, and the best part is whenever you get any notification from any chat that you have already logged, it will be hidden and nobody will be able to access or read all your messages. I think it's a much needed feature that's been added in WhatsApp. Be sure to check this one out. Another new feature that I really liked is now you get the option to edit the message that you have already sent to your friend in WhatsApp. Previously, when you type and send a wrong message to your friend or someone else, what we usually do is we long press and select this option that says delete for everyone. Now instead of deleting that message, you can simply select the message, click on this 3-dot menu on the top right. Here you get a brand new option that says edit. Just click on it and you are able to change the message that you have already sent to your friend. I think it's a great feature and I'm sure a lot of you are gonna use this amazing feature. Did you know you can now use the same WhatsApp account simultaneously on up to 4 phones, and the best part is you don't have to sign up for the WhatsApp beta to get this amazing feature. All you need to do is just install the WhatsApp application on your secondary phone, and in this page click on this 3-dot menu and tap on link to existing account. Now on your primary phone, just go to settings, linked devices and scan the QR code. That's it. The same WhatsApp account is now running on both the phones and all the features works flawlessly without any issue. Again, a very useful feature that's been added in WhatsApp, and now you don't even have to take a Google Drive backup whenever you are getting a brand new phone. Another feature that I found really useful is when I go to the settings menu, now we have this brand new search icon at the top right, which helps me to quickly find any setting that I'm looking for. Let's say I quickly want to change the font size in WhatsApp. Instead of going through all different menus and searching for that specific setting, I can simply search font and it pop up right here. Like this, you can easily search any option by using this search feature. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing new feature that's been added in WhatsApp and you should definitely start using these amazing features. Guys, let me know in the comment section which is your favorite feature from this video, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.